Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift car audio. First, gather your essential tools like a wire stripper, crimping tool, and a multimeter. Always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and successful installation, setting the foundation for your new audio system. Taking these steps seriously will save you time and potential headaches later on. Next, let's demystify the wiring harness. You'll typically find a main power wire, usually red, requiring a 15-amp fuse, and a black ground wire. Speaker wires often come in pairs, with one solid color and one striped, indicating positive and negative. For instance, green and green with black stripe for one speaker. Understanding these color codes, which are often standardized, is key to making correct connections and ensuring your audio system functions perfectly. Now, connect your head unit. Match the wires from your car's harness to the new head unit's harness, ensuring each connection is secure, perhaps using crimp connectors or solder. Pay close attention to speaker wire polarity. Incorrect connections can lead to poor sound quality. If you're adding an amplifier, connect its power directly to the battery, ensuring a proper inline fuse, and run the remote turn-on wire from the head unit. Double-check all connections before proceeding. Finally, it's time to test your new audio system. Reconnect the car's negative battery terminal and turn on the ignition. Check all speakers for sound and proper balance. If you encounter issues, re-examine your wiring, especially ground connections and fuse integrity. Once everything sounds great, secure all loose wires with zip ties or electrical tape and reassemble your dashboard. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience with crystal clear audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.